Sitting on cold, hard bleachers for extended periods can be uncomfortable and even painful, especially during chilly outdoor events. The Hot Hugs heated stadium seats provide warmth, comfort, and ergonomic support, making every game or outdoor gathering more enjoyable. Featuring 3 temperature settings: 149 degrees Fahrenheit, high, 118 degrees Fahrenheit, medium, and 104 degrees Fahrenheit, low, with a smart timer. This seat keeps you warm for hours. Its foldable, portable design includes 2 bottom hooks for stability, storage pockets for convenience, and 6 adjustable angles for customized comfort. The non-slip bottom ensures secure seating, while its spacious design accommodates 2 people. Perfect for sports events, camping, and outdoor adventures. Staying warm and comfortable in cold temperatures requires high-quality, reliable outerwear. The Roscoe Outdoor Polartec Pullover Fleece delivers exceptional warmth, breathability, and durability while supporting American manufacturing. Made from high-loft 7.7-ounce Polartec Thermal Pro fabric, this fleece is perfect for aerobic activity in colder conditions. It features 2 welted hand-warming pockets, a lined hood, and spandex binding at the cuffs to seal in heat. The men's version includes a 3-snap collar, while the women's cut features a flattering silhouette with a mocha-lined hood and shawl collar. Designed and manufactured in the USA, this fleece pullover reduces lead times, supports the domestic textile industry, and ensures superior craftsmanship. Staying warm and comfortable during outdoor adventures is essential, especially in cold weather. Meet the OneTigris Tactical Ultra Warm Blanket, designed for ultimate warmth, versatility, and convenience. Made with high-loft insulation cotton, it provides exceptional heat retention while remaining lightweight and easily packable. Its water and odor-resistant design ensures durability in various conditions. The snap button system allows you to transform it into a cloak or connect multiple blankets into a 2-person sleeping bag. Corner loops secure it to the ground, making it perfect for picnics. Ideal for camping, hiking, and travel, this cozy and portable blanket is a must-have. Staying warm and dry in any weather is crucial for comfort and performance. Meet the Merino wool base layer, the perfect combination of warmth, softness, and breathability. Made from 100% superfine 18.5 micron merino wool, this half-zip sweater is ultra soft, itch-free, and designed for all-day wear without discomfort. Its natural moisture-wicking properties keep you dry by absorbing sweat better than other fabrics. The quarter zip design ensures easy temperature regulation, making it suitable for year-round use. Durable and easy to care for, it's washer-safe for convenience. Whether for outdoor adventures or everyday wear, this versatile base layer delivers unmatched warmth and comfort. Sitting comfortably in cold weather is essential for enjoying outdoor events without discomfort. The KingCamp portable heated seat offers warmth and support with its advanced carbon nanofilm intelligent heating system, which heats up rapidly and evenly. Featuring 3 adjustable temperature settings, you can easily control your comfort level. The seat is ultra lightweight at just 1.45 pounds, making it highly portable for bleachers, camping chairs, or any outdoor setting. A super thick cushion ensures superior comfort, while the collapsible design allows for easy storage. Powered by your power bank, this heated stadium seat keeps you warm and cozy during any outdoor adventure. Harsh weather conditions demand outerwear that provides warmth, durability, and protection without sacrificing comfort. Meet the Sile-Up down jackets, designed with triple-proof technology, making them waterproof, breathable, and exceptionally warm. The temperature-locking insulation ensures you stay comfortable in extreme conditions, while the eco-friendly materials reflect a commitment to sustainability. Lightweight yet highly durable, this jacket is perfect for unpredictable outdoor adventures. It packs easily for travel and features smartly designed storage compartments for essentials like your wallet, passport, or tablet. Whether braving the cold or exploring nature, this all-season jacket offers superior insulation, even under extreme temperatures, making it a reliable companion for any adventure. Cold weather can make outdoor activities uncomfortable, requiring a reliable source of warmth to keep hands cozy and functional. Introducing the Iris hand warmers, air-activated, and provide up to 18 hours of consistent heat, making them an essential winter accessory. Designed with an adhesive backing for easy placement, they heat up quickly and are TSA approved for travel. Made in Japan with eco-conscious ingredients like iron powder, activated charcoal, and vermiculite, they are safe to use and dispose of responsibly. Each pack contains 20 disposable warmers, ensuring long-lasting comfort for hands and feet during outdoor adventures, commutes, or cold weather work. Cold temperatures can drain phone batteries quickly and make devices vulnerable to damage, especially during outdoor adventures. The PHOOZY thermal phone case provides advanced insulation using a patented chromium thermal barrier, the same technology that protects astronauts in space. Designed for winter sports like skiing and snowboarding, it extends battery life up to 3 times while shielding your phone from freezing temperatures, snow, and moisture. This military-grade protective case ensures uninterrupted connectivity without interfering with signals. Lightweight, water-resistant, and durable, it's the perfect companion for keeping your device safe and functional in extreme conditions. Stay connected and protected all winter. Cold feet can make any activity uncomfortable, whether indoors or outdoors, especially in winter. Meet the Ororo Redwood Carbon Nanotube socks, the first ever heated socks designed with carbon nanotube heating elements. These socks deliver unmatched heating performance for up to 10 hours. Made with Coolmax fabric, they offer moisture-wicking properties to keep feet warm and dry. The elastic connecting cords provide extended heating time and extra comfort without restricting movement. Perfect for camping, working, or relaxing at home, these heated socks eliminate the need for multiple layers or external warmers. Stay cozy and comfortable wherever you go with this innovative cold weather essential. Braving the cold requires reliable protection to stay warm and comfortable. The WM Cap's winter beanie offers all-weather protection with its brim shielding your face from snow, sun, rain, and wind, while keeping your glasses clear. Lined with ultra-soft fleece, this knit hat delivers incredible warmth and comfort, making every wear feel like a cozy embrace. Designed with exceptional elasticity, it fits all head sizes snugly, ensuring full ear coverage to block out the cold. Whether you're hiking, running, skiing, or working outdoors, this beanie is the perfect companion. A thoughtful gift. It keeps your loved ones warm during every winter adventure. Finding a way to enjoy hot, fresh meals anywhere without relying on a microwave can be challenging. The LunchEase self-heating lunchbox solves this problem with cordless heating, allowing you to enjoy hot meals anywhere. Designed and manufactured in Fremont, California, this powerful lithium-ion battery-powered lunchbox is UL certified, removable, and ensures hassle-free food heating. Simply load, latch, and go. LunchEase will automatically start heating to over 135 degrees Fahrenheit at your scheduled mealtime. Whether fresh or frozen, it makes hot lunches simple, helping you save time and money. Perfect for meal prep. LunchEase lets you skip the microwave and eat on your schedule effortlessly. Cold hands can make outdoor activities unbearable, but staying warm and comfortable is now effortless. The Heat Pro Fingers warm gloves provide up to 7 hours of continuous heat with a 2,700 mAh lithium battery and LED temperature control for real-time adjustments. These gloves are designed with composite carbon fiber heating sheets and heat up quickly and efficiently. The windproof and waterproof outer layer, combined with velvet and vacuum cotton insulation, ensures optimal heat retention. Featuring touchscreen compatibility, an adjustable elastic cuff, and a carbon fiber protective shell, Heat Pro offers superior warmth and durability. Whether for outdoor work, sports, or daily wear, Heat Pro keeps you in complete control of comfort. Staying warm in harsh weather without sacrificing comfort and mobility is essential for any adventure. Introducing the ARXTEC HCK 4R Heated Jacket, the pinnacle all-season jacket. It features graphene core technology for 2x faster heating and efficient heat dispersion. Designed for adventure, sports, and travel, it offers 3 adjustable heat levels and is powered by a long-lasting battery that lasts up to 15 hours. The lightweight, breathable, and waterproof design includes 8 smart pockets, heated front pockets, underarm ventilation, and a detachable hood for versatility. Windproof materials, elastic thumb hole cuffs, and a built-in snow guard enhance protection. Durable and machine washable, the HCK 4R is the only jacket you'll ever need for any climate. Sleeping in extreme heat or unpredictable weather can be uncomfortable and exhausting. Introducing the Outback Logic Siesta 2 Tent, the ultimate lightweight 2-person backpacking tent. It is designed to keep you cool under the blazing sun, while also protecting you from wind, dust, and cold. Unlike traditional tents, which trap heat, the Siesta 2 features next-generation performance fabric that blocks heat and light, maintaining a comfortable temperature even in direct sunlight. Its double-walled design includes a waterproof, heat-reflective fly and a breathable inner tent with fully closable mesh, ensuring optimal ventilation and condensation control. Whether you're hiking, biking, climbing, or at a music festival, the Siesta 2 guarantees restful sleep for your next adventure. Cold weather can limit productivity and enjoyment during outdoor activities or daily tasks. The G-Tech heated hoodies bring instant warmth with innovative ThermoGrip heat technology, offering unparalleled comfort for cold weather activities like hunting, fishing, camping, snowboarding, or outdoor work. These hoodies are also a game changer for those managing cold hand syndromes such as Raynaud's or arthritis. Featuring hydrothermal moisture-wicking fabric and heat capture technology, the G-Tech hoodies maintain optimal warmth while ensuring comfort. With 3 ThermAdjust heat settings, they adapt to your needs, and the machine-washable design ensures easy care. Combining functionality and style, They are the world's most efficient solution for staying warm and active in any environment.